Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I am going to show you in this video how to turn your WIC card into money, into dollars, so that you can use that money to buy things that you can't buy with WIC, you can't buy with your food stamps, or things that you really need and you just don't have enough money for. So I'm going to try to do at least one of these videos every month to help you guys out, especially since you only get WIC once a month. But the same principles that I'm applying to this WIC video, you can apply to food stamps also. So that way you're turning your WIC card into cash, and you can even use it for gas money. Totally up to you how you want to do it. So let's get started. Please keep in mind that the techniques that I'm showing you can be done at any store that accepts WIC or food stamps. So I'm doing mine at Giant, but you can do it at any store that accepts WIC or food stamps. Please remember. So these are the items that we're going to get today. 1 dozen of eggs, 36 ounces of cereal, 4 cans of beans, $10.48 in vegetables, 32 ounces of yogurt, and 6 half gallons of milk, and 2 things of juice. Okay, so the first thing that was on the list was a dozen of eggs. So we are going to grab those, and there's a bunch that you can choose from. And this is just about in any store. And if you're not sure which ones, all you have to do is scan the barcode and it'll tell you. So I'm going to grab these eggs right here, which are the white extra large eggs. Guys, look, they're $8.69. That's crazy what the price of eggs are. But you see, I scanned them. I got the green check mark. I scanned them into the WIC app. Got the green check mark. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab a dozen of eggs. Guys, always make sure that you open your eggs up. Make sure they're not cracked. And that might sound silly, but sometimes when we're rushing, we're not looking, we might find a thing of eggs that are cracked. Now, the next thing we're going to get is 36 ounces of cereal. So you can mix and match that. Like this here, the Rice Krispies is 24 ounce. So I could get one of these and then one 12 ounce. They don't have any of the 12 ounces. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to get a big Rice Krispies 12 ounce and one Rice Krispies 12 ounce and one 24 ounce. But they don't have that. So I'm going to go down to the Cheerios, and so the Cheerios has the 12 ounce, the 1 pound 2 ounce, and they have the 12 ounce and then the 8.9 ounce. I'm going to grab 3 of these. I'm going to grab 3 of the 12 ounces. And you guys will see why too at the end, because remember, we're going to change our WIC money into cash. Okay, so you see in my cart, I grabbed 3 of the Cheerios. And guys, if you have like store coupons and things, don't bother wasting your coupons like this. Like I have a $1 off for 2 General Mills cereal. I'm not going to waste my coupon on that because I don't need the $1 off, because I'm getting all 3 of these with my WIC. Or I should stop saying my WIC, because it's not my WIC. I'm shopping for someone else to help you guys understand how to better stretch your WIC benefits. Okay, so next on the list are 4 cans of beans. And guys, you can see like there's a huge list of beans. Kidney beans, pinto beans, black beans, navy beans, black eyed peas, all kind of things that northern beans. You can make chili, black eyed peas, all kind of stuff. So you just have to decide which beans are right for you. You can even get garbanzo beans to go in your salads and things. Okay, so I'm going to decide which beans I'm going to get and come back and let you guys know. Okay guys, so I got 4 different kind of beans to show you all the different kinds that qualify. So I got garbanzo beans, great northern beans, black eyed peas, and kidney beans. So those are 4 different kinds of beans, and you can see they're not generic. I got Hanover and Goya, so those are great brands. So next on the list is $10.48 worth of fruits and vegetables. Now you can get fresh fruits, you can get frozen fruits. I usually show her how to get fresh fruits, but today we're going to get some frozen fruits. Okay, so I'm going to grab some frozen corn. Guys, normally with the fresh vegetables and stuff, I normally like get the store brand, but I do not like Giant brand frozen corn. It is too crunchy for me. So I'm going to go with the Bird's Eye. And like I said, we have $10.48 to spend. I'm going to grab 2 bags, 2 of these little bags here. Okay, and when I scan them into the app, it tells you that they're good. Okay, you can either enter the total in there, add to the calculator, so that you can keep track, or you can keep track yourself. I just simply keep track myself. But those vegetables are one second. They're $2.29 a piece. So I'm at like $4.60. So I still have some money to spend. So I'm gonna grab some more vegetables. Okay, I grabbed 2 bags of broccoli florets, and those are $1.79 a piece. So we still have some money to spend. Okay, so I grabbed a bag of Brussels sprouts, and that takes me to about $10. So I have about 48 cents left over. But today is the last day for the benefits, so you know, she'll just lose that, but you know, it doesn't matter. But if you wanted to grab another bag and go over, you just pay cash for the difference. Okay, so now next we're going to get 32 ounces of yogurt. Okay, now just like the cereal and the fruits and vegetables, there's tons of different things you can get with the yogurt. I find that a lot of people let the yogurt benefit go by if they don't eat yogurt, but there are other things that you can get that's fun yogurt, especially if you have kids, and that is the Go-Gurts. The Go-Gurts do qualify if you know, if you have kids or adults. I mean, I'm an adult and I eat Go-Gurts, so let me show you which ones qualify, because not all flavors qualify. Okay, so I'm allowed 32 ounces. So I can't get the big box because that's only 20 ounce. They're only, yeah, it's 22 ounces. So that's 40 ounces. So I can't get that. But the smaller ones are 16 ounces. So I'm able to get 2 of those. So the ones that I got were these and the strawberry, but all of those do not qualify. I'm going to show you which ones qualify. Okay, so it's 8 packs in there, but each of them are 2 ounces, so that brings the whole box to 16 ounces. I can get 32 ounces, so that's how I got 2 boxes. So I'm going to show you guys which ones qualify. So the Punch Strawberry qualify. The Go-Gurt Simply Strawberry qualify. The Go-Gurt Cotton Candy qualify. And regular Go-Gurt Strawberry qualify. So those are the 4 Go-Gurts you can get. Okay, so the next thing on the list is milk. So we can get 6 half gallons of milk. We have to get 1 ounce or skim milk. I meant to say we have to get 1% milk or skim milk. Okay guys, so I can get 6 half gallons of milk. You can mix up, you can get like a whole gallon, you know, and that would count as 2 half gallons. But I got 2 half gallons of the lactate fat-free milk, and then I got 4 half gallons of the 1% regular milk. So just showing you different ways you can do it. So the last thing on the list is the 2-count juice. So we can get juice that is 12 ounce frozen or 48 ounce liquid. I'm going to get the 48 ounce liquid. Okay guys, my store doesn't have a lot of choices as far as the juice, so I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to get the Juicy Juice apple juice, and I can get 2 of these 48 ounce jars. So I'm going to go ahead, or bottles, I'm going to get 2 of those. Okay, so now it's time to turn these items into cash. So altogether, I got 3 boxes of cereal, 2 bottles of apple juice, 2 boxes of Go-Gurt, 4 half gallons of 1% milk, 2 half gallons of fat-free milk, 5 bags of frozen vegetables, and 4 cans of beans. So first you need to make sure that you have your Inbox Dollars app downloaded. If you don't, no worries, you still have time to do it. And I'll put the link in the description box as well as in the comments, because we're going to submit our receipt and we're going to get back 50 cents for buying any brand eggs. And then we're going to get 2 cents back for any brand broccoli. So that's 52 cents that we're getting from Inbox Dollars, which we didn't pay our own cash where we used the WIC card. That's just the beginning. Next, we're going to submit our receipt to the Fetch app. The Fetch app is where you submit receipts and you get points, and then you turn those points into gift cards. So we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch, and Fetch is going to give us back 100 points. We're going to get 100 points back for buying 1 General Mills cereal. Unfortunately, you can only do it 1 time. So we're only going to get credit for 1. But we're also going to get credit for buying 2 Blue Label Goya beans. When you buy a total of 4, then they're actually going to give you 1,500 points, which is $1.50. So it does keep track. So as you can see, when we buy 2 more, we'll get back $1.50. But for now, we're only getting back 10 cents. 100 points equals 10 cents, but it adds up to get you gift cards. And last but not least, the app that's really going to give us the most amount of money so that we can buy other things or get gas or do whatever you want to do with the money is the Ibotta app. And again, no worries if you don't have it downloaded. The link is in the description box as well as in the comments. So we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to collect $2.50 for purchasing the eggs. Every Friday, Ibotta has been giving us a $2.50 rebate for buying any kind of eggs. It was all for the month of February, so we're hoping that they continue to do that in the month of March. Also, we're going to submit our receipt for the Go-Gurt. They are giving us 50 cents back for each thing of Go-Gurt that you buy, and you can get up to 5. So we're going to get $1 back for the Go-Gurt. As you can see on here, I only got 50 cents back. For some reason, they missed one, but I'm just going to simply submit a ticket and get another 50 cents. It's no problem. It usually always works out. Then you will see that I got back $1 for buying the General Mills cereal. When you buy 2 General Mills cereal, you get $1 back. So you see here, I got back a total of $4 from Ibotta, but really it's going to be $4.50 once I submit my ticket. So now you have the $4.50 back from Ibotta, and you have the 50 2 cents back from inbox dollars. So now that's $5.02 that you have back in total that you can either spend on gas, you can buy cereal that your kids like that has sugar in it, or you can buy something that you need that you can't buy with WIC or with food stamps, such as toilet paper, paper towels, aluminum foil, dishwashing liquid, anything that you can think of that you can't spend food stamps on or WIC. So that's how we change our WIC into cash. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. Let me now know down below what you do with your WIC and food stamps that helps you stretch them a little longer or helps you get other things that you can't buy with WIC or food stamps. And until the next time, keep on saving.